Hey, it's Mike visiting Payam Data Recovery to show you a special case they worked on today. The boss, Payam, asked data recovery engineer Dimitri to examine a student's 1TB Seagate USB drive, hoping we could offer a generous discounted price to a student who told us they were on a very limited budget. The local repair shop diagnosed stiction, a term used to describe heads that stuck on the platters, not letting the drive spin up, and often making a faint buzzing sound or sometimes laser gun beeping noises. Usually an easy fix for our team. But when Dimitri powered it up, something was off. The drive spun normally, heads moved freely, no stiction at all. That's when we realized what had happened. Someone had already fixed it, probably with the freezer trick or tapping method you see online. Never do this. It's very risky, and even though it will unstick the heads from the platter surface, it will normally destroy the drive. When Dimitri opened the drive in our clean room environment, the damage was obvious. Deep scratches across the platter surface where the heads had scraped during the DIY attempt. The bottom line? What should have been a simple, affordable repair became a complex case requiring multiple donor drives and extensive work, far beyond any student budget. Sometimes trying to save money costs you everything. If your drive fails, bring it to the professionals first. If we got this first, it would have been a quick, easy job for us that we could have done for a very low price. Payam Data Recovery works on thousands of broken hard drives each year. If you have a problem like this, don't use it at all. Unplug it and leave it off to avoid further damage. Then get it to them for a free assessment and quote.